What is going up, you guys? Your boy Epic Viper. So today I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about how to keep your car safe from thieves. As you can see, we're in the Hellcat. Yes sir. Yes sir. Alright guys, so basically I installed, like I said, the kill switch called Ravelco. So let me get that for you. There we go. This is how it looks like. Just a little key, and it has like this thing right there. Basically how it works is flip the camera, so it just goes in here, and then as you can see there's no key here, so you can't turn it on. So we kind of, I have the keys in here. So like I said, regular charger, you have the keys inside, and then it says press brake and push button to start. So I'm gonna be pressing the brake. As you can see, pressing the brake, push to start. You see, it's not running because the key's not there. Now they give you two of those. How did I put the other one? Oh, here it is. So they gave me an extra pair, so they give you two pairs, so I have an extra one. I'm gonna put it in here. See, so you're gonna open this and then put it this way. It has to fit only one way, so it has to say Ravelco on top. You put it in here. There we go. Now look at this. Yes. There we go, guys. Look, it turned on. So if I take it off, then it's gonna turn off. And you know, a lot of people say, is it dangerous? Like if you're going so fast that it's just gonna come up by itself? No, because these pins hold it really well, and this thing is very light. So look, I can try force. Like, it's not gonna come off. You have to pull it like kind of hard to take it off. So yeah, it's not gonna come off for those that people are saying that Ravelco. So if you guys live in California or in Arizona, I live in that area, so basically somebody from California, Arizona people are gonna call you. I think it's Nevada. I think it is not Arizona. I was wrong. Nevada, so like Las Vegas and stuff like that. So it's pretty easy. For the new chargers, it has an extra layer of protection, like plastic. So they are going to charge you an extra $200 to do that. But of course, I'd rather pay that than getting the car stolen. And then as well as basically, I got this during Black Friday. So this normally costs like $750, but Black Friday I think I got it for $600. And then plus that $200 extra labor fee to install it, because the 2020 wide body chargers have an extra like plastic protecting like the whole front, so they have to work on that. So that's why they charge extra. But for me, it was worth it. So now like I can take it anywhere. It's not gonna get I mean, it might be broken into like the windows and stuff, but the car will still be there. So that's what I like. And yeah, so that's why I purchased this. I also have this is basically gonna go around the brake and the wheel. I don't use this unless like I actually park it for a while. So yeah, but yeah, so this is what I use to protect my Hellcat. Of course, this car costs a lot. So like I said, guys, this car costs a lot for me, so might as well protect it. So I did that. There's no YouTube videos showing how it works or how do you got it. It's pretty easy. So you go to Ravelco and just search the area that you're from. I searched basically if you live in California or in Nevada. Basically they'll drive to you. You don't have to take it anywhere unless you want to. But I think they come because there's a lot of people that come into. So there's a person that came in the morning, and he just did it in my garage, and it took him 2 hours. Pretty cool. That guy was pretty chill. And he said that there's a lot what's it called? They're short staff in LA area, so he has to drive from like San Jose, California to like LA sometimes when they need him. But other than that, guys, it's pretty simple. You just, I guess, money talks. You just pay and they do it for you. And of course, it's something that I won't regret. It is kind of pricey for those, $600-700 protection, but of course it's worth it to me because I'd rather pay $700 to $800 rather than the car being gone and missing. It's not gonna like this will protect from getting stolen, but yeah, it's not gonna protect you from somebody actually breaking into here trying to seal it, but the car will still be there. So that's what matters the most. And yeah, guys, I'm really grateful to be able to afford all this, you know. We're gonna be doing more videos soon. It's really bad here in California right now. It looks sunny, but the past week, like, there's been a hurricane. There's a tornado warning here where I live, not too far away. We had floods, so like here in Gilroy, it was flooding. Like, I actually flooded the whole 101 flooded, so we couldn't, like, you know, when I came back from work, like, it was, I think they just, I don't know what they did, but there was no more water. But in the morning when I went to work, like, it was really flooded. Like, that's why I took my Honda right there. If anything happens to the Honda, you know, it'll get covered by insurance. It's not that expensive. So, you know, but the Hellcat, it's kind of hard to replace because they're not making no more Hellcats. So if anything happens to this car, God forbid, I would probably have to get a used one, and not even the same color or the options I got. So, you know, that's why gotta be smart about this car. But this car right here, don't make them every time. Like, they have a million of those. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Quick little video. If you guys want to talk, or leave in the comments below other video ideas that you guys want me to do. But just a quick video showing you how to protect your Hellcat. You know, this is not just for a Hellcat. Here, I'm gonna put it into the garage. But no, this is not just for a Hellcat, guys. It can be for any car. If you have a BMW, Audi, Lexus, you know, even if those cars aren't that a huge threat to robberies and stuff like that, but you know, you always want to make sure your car is protected. So I'd rather protect any car that I have, even like Honda Civics, any classic cars you have. Oh, there we go. I don't want to hit it. Let me see. Okay, I don't want to hit it because I'm parking inside the garage and I don't want to take the whole door off. But yeah, guys, good thing I have a house. I'm fortunate to have a house, so I do have a garage. You know, it's easier to keep your car in the garage. But you know, a lot of people are not that fortunate. Like I myself didn't have a garage for a while. I live in an apartment, so you know, it's kind of hard to do any car work or anything like that. But you know, so thank God I had a garage, so the person that came in could have, like, he did it under the garage, you know. But usually Ravelco, like, you need to have like a shade just because so they can work if it's raining or something like that. But nevertheless, guys, thanks for watching. You know, I'm gonna be doing more videos. I know there isn't a lot of YouTube videos on the Ravelco switch, but I just did one for you guys, just showing how it works, stuff like that. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. This is how you pretty much protect your Hellcat. One of the biggest, like, you know, biggest protection service that you can get. The next one probably would be, you know, I could probably add an extra kill switch if I wanted to. I got the steering wheel lock pedal. I think that would be, and I got the neutral strap kill switch, not the switch, but like a cover. So you know, just pretty much making it harder for the people that want to steal it. But of course, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Quick video for you guys and showing how to get the Ravelco, how it works. If you want to get one, just go to the website. You just have to sign up. Like, it's pretty easy. You just put the model of your car. You're pretty much the model, your name, your number, your credit card on file. They don't charge you till the person gets here. They just put a hold charge. And then pretty much they'll give you a call just to set up an appointment. And they'll call you. Once the job is done, then they'll charge you after. But, you know, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, simple step. I thought it was going to be so complicated, but it really went really quick. So I appreciate Ravelco for helping me, you know, protect my car. But other than that, guys, you know, that'll be all for today. I know I haven't posted for like a week. You know, I'm just trying. It's been really bad here, the weather. So there wasn't really anything to do. I couldn't even take my car out because, of course, this car is just going to hydroplane and stuff like that. Too much power. But yeah, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like. Also, guys, I'm going to be doing the video with the giveaway. We hit 405 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I never thought that I was going to hit an extra 100 when I posted more Call of Duty. I mean, not Call of Duty, but Hellcat videos. But I guess you guys like the content for cars and Hellcat, so I'm going to be doing more Hellcat videos. I'm going to also be modding the Hellcat. like not like engine wise, just because I want to keep my warranty for a while. But probably I'm just gonna be doing the splitter and the wicker build for y'all. I mean, yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Your boy Epic 5% out. Peace.